What's up, everybody? Irina and Alina here, and today we are taking a field trip.
Where are we going?
Today we're going to Lux Kitchens Incorporated. They have a job coming out, and so Alina is gonna walk us through the process.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Before the cabinets go out on the road to be delivered to a customer's home, Alina, what's the process to get them out of the shop?
Okay, so the first step is you gotta check the plans. We have plans ready. We use Cabinet Vision software to get everything in 3D imaging, beautiful cabinets. Kind of gives you an overview where everything is at, and then you go through the elevation plans to see which cabinet goes where. Like this one behind me is cabinet number 20. There's a lot more details to it, and then after the plans are checked, simultaneously we have the punch list.
Okay.
Punch list is like little different knickknacks that we might have missed some steps, or we need to make sure it makes it onto the truck.
So can you walk us through the job that you guys are delivering?
Okay, so this style is standard overlay. You got the specific doors. They have an inner bevel. It's almost like a shaker, but with a little bit unique, easier to wipe inner bevel edges. And the stain is husk stain. It was a wipe stain and a spray stain, so it kind of coats it a little bit black now. This is not the most popular thing.
Nope.
Folks order nowadays. This clients of ours, they like it. You know, husk stain is something that's not very popular. Everything is pretty much white or gray nowadays.
But you guys are custom cabinets, and therefore you deliver.
Hey, you give us the money, we'll build you whatever brown you want.
Right, brown or orange.
But it turned out pretty good. Like it's alder wood. We use alder wood for most of our staining jobs. It's affordable. Not unlike walnut. Walnut's a little bit more pricier. And then when you open it, you got a little bit. This is full cabinet. We got the holes in here is going to be a couple shelves, and then the bottom. Oh, and also the unique thing about these cabinets are the finger pulls. So we're not going to have like doors, knobs and pulls. We have a finger pull where you stick your hand in there and then you just open it, and all of them have it. So
now I think it looks very clean.
Yeah.
I think it makes it more modern. This little, you can't really see the knobs. Before the cabinets leave the shop, what's the step 3?
Step number 3 is wrapping the cabinets.
Yeah.
We got this beautiful green looking wrapping paper.
It's so plasticky plastic.
It's like Christmas up in here. No, we want to present the product. It's very exciting for the clients to see their cabinets show up, wrapped, ready to go.
Yeah.
It's kind of the reveal perspective.
But also preserves it during the delivery.
It absolutely preserves a little bit. We have a lot more that we do in the truck as far as making sure the faces are not dinged along the way. But this is pretty much like, it keeps it clean, I guess, in the process.
I
so
love it.
Looks pretty good.
So Alina, how do you guys actually deliver the cabinets? What do you use?
So we have a 26-foot truck, and we need to get them loaded up, all the cabinets, the kitchen, the bathroom cabinets, everything in the truck, and we have a way of securing them. It's not just piling them on as furniture.
Oh my goodness, I thought it's easy. You just pile them up, you walk it up, and you go.
No, because the faces need to be secure. They're beautiful. If there's one little ding, then we've got to start over. It's gonna be a mess. The road's bumpy, so you gotta make sure they're well taken care of.
Okay. So once the cabinets are in the truck, what's next?
Securing them.
Yeah.
What I have here is
that a drill?
Yeah.
How do you secure cabinets? You drill them in the truck?
Yeah, we do. We have to. So we use these L-shaped studs, and we attach them to the cabinet, and it goes into these wooden pieces here.
Once cabinets are inside and secured to those wooden strips inside, what's next?
The final step is delivery. We gotta get this truck to Santa Rosa. It's going to Santa Rosa, and then the next day our installers are gonna come in early in the morning and put this full kitchen and linen and 2 bathrooms together in one day.
I love it. Now you guys know what it takes to actually deliver the cabinets from the shop to the job site. It's not an easy process.
Hey, before we go, like and subscribe to our channel. we're literally trying to do this for you guys, entertain you a little bit, give you a little bit of information, a little how to do things.
And how often do you see a girl with pink hair actually drilling cabinets to the wall of a truck?
On fleek. Hey, I'm trying to get it more pinker. I'm getting more pinker. It's the summertime. Gotta enjoy it.
That's right. Next June blue.
Awesome.
So anyway, you guys, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Thanks for your support.